I've already gone ahead and cut the top of the box off, but basically inside, so these, looks like that's one of our doors there. Perfect. Looks like we've got some stickers. Perfect. And then we've got some installation instructions. I don't think these are terribly difficult to install, but that is nice to have for the first timers. That'll be nice to put in. And then as well, what else do we have? Looks like we have a second door. So these should go on pretty nice. I'm pretty excited to put these on and kind of complete the full cab enclosure on the KRX. So we'll break into our packaging here. Oh, nice. Okay. We'll take all this cladding along. So these look to have, let me get all this packaging off. So it looks like on these guys, you know what, it's got the nice clear plastic on there. Flipping it over, oh nice, they've got their logo on there, and then they've got a real nice zipper system, and it looks like they actually have windows to go onto the back as well, which is pretty sweet. I've been told that a common fail point for these guys is in fact the window zipper. And it looks like, just looking at this here, it actually looks like they've got a really high quality zipper. That looks like a really, really nice zipper on there. So let's get set up over on the KRX, and we can put these on and see you know how they look and how they seal up, because at the end of the day, this is one of the things that you really need to isolate any spots where the wind can get in, and that's going to make or break your ride experience with these. So let me take a quick look here. We'll set up and we'll get these installed. Here is our full door. Looks awesome. Looks like they have some nice double-sided tape on the bottom of these doors for where you can roll them up. So this is going to be our right-hand side door that goes in there, and then our left-hand side door is on the other one. So I'm going to go unpackage that, and we're going to put this on right away. Looks like at the end of the day that this is going to seal up super nice, but I do want to double check before I can say and move forward. So we'll set the camera up and we'll get this installed for you guys. All right, so I'm just establishing the frame here. I did have to undo my windshield as well as take off my roof to put this on. So just a fair warning, if you guys are going to be installing this, make sure you pull your roof first and then take your windshield off so that you guys can put this on, because it does make it quite difficult without it. But you guys can see here, like, I'm not even done installing it, and look at how nicely this is fitting up. It fits the frame very nicely, lots of attachment points. I really like how they've reinforced where these attachment points are. But you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got 8 different points to attach this, plus the window, and then it looks like we've got some double-sided tape here that's going to attach onto our door. So there's lots and lots of spots for this thing to hook up, so that you're going to have a full enclosure that's super warm. So I really like that. I'm going to go ahead and finish installing this. I need to clean off just these spots here with a little bit of isopropyl so that I can put this on, and then we'll have the finished look on this driver's side door. But I'm going to go ahead and do that, guys. I'll be right back. All right, just got that door installed. Look at that. That is a nice tight fit. Glass, I should say. Poly is good, nice and tight. We got a nice tight seal around all of this. Looks really good, actually. Nice Velcro on all of these, reinforced Velcro points, which I really like. You can see even like here, you know, like it's stretching, but it's not enough that it's going to be pulling and be a problem. Even this, they have a nice bit of extra material that goes down along the curvature of the vehicle. And then obviously here, they have that double-sided tape, which has Velcro on it, which is sweet. So, because whenever you take this off in the summertime, you can literally just pull the Velcro off and take that off for the summer, and then bam, it's going to be ready to go afterwards. I'd probably recommend getting some spare pieces of Velcro here, only because whenever you pull that off and get it muddy through the summer, you're going to have an issue afterwards. Or if you're going to leave this on full time, bam, you don't have to worry about it. But yeah, that's a pretty nifty product for sure. And it looks like it's going to keep us super warm as well, which is awesome. Super excited for it. And obviously, if you do want to just put that window down, you can, oh, one sec here. Undo this. The window can be rolled up. It's got the straps for it here. You can literally just open this up, get in, and then you're in your full enclosure. So I really like that, guys. I think that's a really nifty setup. Really like that. Awesome. Super cool. I just got both sides finished, installed. You can see here I've got the window rolled down, which I honestly think this is probably how I'll be riding most of the time. I don't want the cab to get too hot, and I also really like the idea of being able to hold my hand out the window for when I'm filming or whatever. But you can see here, door functions as it should. Once you're in, oh man, you can see here, it seals up nice and tight. You've got a nice window for viewing here, which is awesome. Nice and tight along the top. I don't think you're gonna get a lot of intrusion at all. If you want to, obviously you've got access to a double-sided zipper right here, so you can zip your window up, be fully enclosed here, fully enclosed there. I'm sure my fiance Bailey's gonna want this done up so that she remains nice and warm on that side. But this should be everything that we want as far as how to stay warm. Really nice enclosure. You can see here this is all stitched on the inside here. Looks like we've got a double-sided zipper here as well, which is nice. So in and out. Obviously you need the window undone, but it's not something that you have to have done the entire time. So yeah, really nice. It fits up nice and tight against the roof line here, and yeah, should be good. Now we've got a full cab enclosure. So thank you very much to StarknightMT. We really appreciate you guys sending that product over. Looks really nice. I'd recommend it. Again, if you're not looking to spend too much money, but you're trying to enclose your side-by-side, I think they're worth the look. They are cheaper than the competitors. Somebody like, say, Kemimoto or even Super ATV, I think, makes a set as well. But really nice product, you guys. Good job. And you know what? If you guys enjoyed this video, you appreciated the review, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and we will see you guys on whatever the next adventure will be. All right? Until then, happy wheeling, guys. Be safe and have fun. Windows are sweet. Been ripping on these all weekend. Look at this, tons and tons of tree branches off of them, no scratches, seals up real nice and tight. You can still use your door. Man, I haven't even done this window up yet. It's been so mint. Love it.